Hi.
Wait, at this angle, it'd be so cool.
Too late. Too late.
You're too fast, babe.
I can be a film director.
That's too fast. That's going too fast. like in Aladdin.
And the guy's like, that was so funny.
Now you gotta go move a little.
Do you know which one is Queen and Red Slippers? I don't know. I really don't know.
He's moving super slow.
AC.
Go outside.
Go outside, we go vlog. Say vlog. You have to commentate while you're filming. You have to commentate.
Commentate.
Well, okay, it looks like we have a bit of a flood here, and I think, what's that? Oh look, Lonnie Ass is coming into the table. Wait. So I guess the water's piling up, I guess, and
Yes, the water's piling up.
time for today's weather by Greater RJ.
You wanna go out in that weather?
Yes.
Go surf.
Yeah. Let me get my surfboard.
Go get farmer.
Get the ironing board. Get the ironing board. You can take out these back. Yeah, I'm about to do that right now. Let's GoPro it.
We went up to the GoPro.
Waterbed, surfing. Imagine. I think we can.
You can go all the way
Oh,
up.
what?
Oh, God.
Are there any cars?
No.
Ow, my groin. Go on, hit me. Nah. Oh. Give me one.
Oh no, I have the camera. Turn it on. Help me! I feel some gas coming on. Objection! Tim's room. Come this way. Okay. You go in first. I'll be behind you. Go. I'm sweating like crazy. Go. I think we should retreat. I feel some gas coming. Hey, I feel some gas coming on. Okay. Listen to me. This is my last word. I must say goodbye. I feel like I am going to be attacked. Any minute. You know what? You guys do that?
You can stop it.
No. There's like no